remember previously at the last moment I gave you guys a question. Okay, that was a bonus question.
Yes.
So there was slight mistake in the question. So it was interior angle written here. Okay, not exterior angle. Okay. Yeah, let me show you. So did you were you guys able to solve the question?
No, sir.
So question was, in a regular polygon, each exterior angle is thrice the interior angle. The number of sides of the polygons is, okay. So you guys were required to find the number of sides of the polygon. Okay, so let's solve this question. How we are going to approach this question? Okay, so since we don't know the
Yeah.
polygon, yes, Arhan.
Nothing, sir.
Okay, okay. So one thing we know that, okay, let's solve here. So one thing we know about this is that each exterior angle is equal to, the question says that it is thrice of the interior angle. Okay, so we write each exterior angle equals to 3 into interior angle, right? Right, guys? Okay, Fatima hasn't joined by the way yet. Yes, this is what the question is saying, that each exterior angle is equal to thrice of interior angle. Read the question. In a regular polygon, each exterior angle is thrice the interior angle. So we can write it like this. Each exterior angle equals to 3 multiplied interior angle. Now, next what we need to do, you see, as we already know that in each, for each exterior angle, it is how do we calculate exterior angle? 180 minus interior angle, right? So exterior angle, we know it is basically 180 degree minus interior angle. Yes, guys. Okay. So,
Yes, sir.
so let's assume that the interior angle of the given polygon, this is x degree. Okay. This is your interior angle, right? And the exterior angle, it can be written like this. It can be 180 degree minus x. Yes. Do you guys have any problem in writing this? This is your exterior angle. Yes, Ahmed, you got this? Okay, because the basics are basics should be very clear. Okay, so 180 minus interior angle equals to 3 multiplied interior angle, right? So here I have taken interior angle. I am assuming it to be x here. Okay, so can I not write it like this? 180 degree minus x equals to 3 multiplied x, since the interior angle has been taken as x here. Yes.
Yes.
Yes, Ahmed, to you is it clear? Yes, Ahmed. Yes, Ahmed, are you there? Be attentive while you are in the classroom. Okay. Okay. So 180 degree minus x, it is equal to 3x. Okay, now from here you guys can solve this. Okay, so write your answers in the chat box. Okay, I'm not going to do further. It's a simple calculation. You guys should be able to solve it. 180 minus 3x equals to 3x. Find out the value of x here. Okay, so when you guys will find out the value of x here, what we are required to find out, we're required to find out the number of sides of the polygon. So first you guys will find out the x, that is interior angle. Okay, now using this x, you will find out the exterior angle. Okay, someone has written something here. Yeah, laptop keeps blinking. 60, Ahmed. Okay.
Yes.
180 degree equals to 4x. Okay, Ahmed, it will be 3x plus x, 4x. Okay. Your answer is not correct. Okay, Ahmed. Okay, now try finding it out. I've already made it simple now. So what you guys will
Okay,
do,
sir.
once you will find out the value of x, that is interior angle, then you will put the value of interior angle in this 180 minus x. So that will give you exterior angle,
Nice.
right? So now
Yes, sir.
the question basically is asking to find the number of sides of the polygon. So we know that each exterior angle, earlier we talked about this formula, each exterior angle equals to 360 degree divided by number of sides. Yes, sir, and that is correct. Very good. 360 degree upon number of sides. Okay, so once you guys have found out the value of x. So x here is 45 degree. Okay, now follow the next steps. Here we need to find the number of sides of the polygon. We know the formula is each exterior angle equals to 360 degree upon number of sides of the polygon. So just find out the exterior angle now. What is the exterior angle of that polygon now? 180 minus x. What is it going to be?
Oh, yes. Yes, sir. Can you repeat?
Find out the exterior angle now. Okay, because you have to put the exterior angle in this formula and then find out the number of sides.
Okay, sir. Uh,
Yes,
wait, sir. I'm still talking.
Sir, the exterior angle is 135.
it is 135.
135.
Okay, okay. Uh, do you guys spot a mistake here? I think we have done some mistake here because you see, I think you guys also forget to notice this thing here. Look, if we were to put this exterior angle in this formula here, the value is going to be in decimal, and the sides of any polygon is not possible in decimal. So actually, what mistake we have did here, we guys need to assume the exterior angle at the beginning as x and interior angle as 180 minus x. So that is the mistake which we did here, right, guys?
Yes.
You see, this is what I'm talking about. So 135 equals to 360 upon n. So if you put it like this, 360 upon 135, so that is not going to give you a proper value. Okay, so that thing we missed here. Okay, so now let's again start from the beginning. Okay, now you guys what need to do? You need to assume the interior angle as, you need to assume the exterior angle as x here. Okay, this x is going to be your exterior angle. Okay, and your interior angle is going to be 180 minus x. All right. Okay,
Yes,
it is
sir.
180 minus x. Right, Arhan? So then we will be able to get our
Yes.
answer. So each exterior angle is going to be 3 multiplied interior angle here. Okay. So this is same. This is all this is going to, this statement is same. Okay. Right. So here it is going to be like this. it is. Yeah.
Sir, the equation is gonna be like 3x multiplied by 180 minus x.
Yeah. 3 multiplied x minus 3 multiplied 180 minus x. Right. Okay.
Yes.
180 minus x. All right. Okay. Okay. Ahmed, read the question once again. What does the question says?
Okay, sir, why not? In a regular polygon, each exterior angle is thrice the interior angle. Number of sides of the polygon is.
Yeah, that is what we have to do. So exterior angle we assumed as x degree. So interior angle is going to be 180 minus x. So as per question, each exterior angle, that is x, is thrice the interior angle, that is 3 times of interior angles. So we actually need to multiply this here 3x, then it will be equal now, because let's say my exterior angle, let's say it is let's say it is 45. If it's 45, okay, so the exterior angle, it is 3 times of it. Okay, so it is going to 3 multiplied 45, that is 135. Okay, but we need to equate the value on the two sides. So we write, instead of multiplying 3 with interior angle here, we will multiply 3 with the exterior angle, because on LHS and RHS both the values have to be same. So it is going to be 3 multiplied 45 equals to, because the interior angle already it is 135. So in that case 135 is equal to 135. Getting it what I'm trying to make sense of here?
Yes.
Arhan, you got this. Ahmed, you?
Yes, sir, I also did.
Okay. So instead of multiplying 3 with interior angle, need to multiply 3 with exterior angle. Right, guys? So now
Yes.
I'm giving you the equation. Now solve it. Okay. Okay, Arhan, you also haven't submitted the previous assignment given in quadrilateral. Did you got the assignment?
Sir, actually I did submit the assignment, but there has been going some problem with my WhatsApp, so it may have
Okay.
not been gotten to you.
Okay.
So
No issue.
shall
No
I
issue.
resend the assignment after
Yeah,
this class?
sure. You can resend the assignment.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay, so this is your fresh required equation now. Okay, that is 3x equals to 180 minus x. Okay, now we can solve it. So 3x, so we will transpose the minus x here. So it will 3x plus x, that is 180 degree. So 4x gives you 180 degree. Now what is the value of x over here? It's going to be 45 degree, right, guys? So we have assumed, we assumed x as exterior angle. Okay, so we have now got the exterior angle. Okay, and remember that formula, that each exterior angle equals to what? 360 upon
360 degrees.
n, right? So now simply put this value over here and we will get the answer. So 45 degree equals to 360 upon n, right? So n equals to 360 upon 45. Now what is the value here? 360 divided by 45 gives you how much? I have also given you guys options here. The options are 6, 8, 10 or 12. Which one is correct here? Yes. Yes, Ahmed and Arhan. Divide 360 by 45 and that will give you the number of sides of polygon.
Okay, sir.
Yes, Arhan, why are you taking so much time? By now you guys should have got the value. Very good, Ahmed. Yeah. So 360 divided by 45, that gives me 8 here. So the number of the polygon, number of the sides of the polygon is 8. And you guys tell me, what is the name of the polygon going to be? Is it a hexagon, heptagon, octagon, nonagon?
Sir, octagon. Octagon.
Octagon. Very good, guys. Okay, then. Now, quickly, we will move to solve the answer exercise. Okay. Now, this was the assignment I sent to you guys earlier. Okay. Now, let's quickly have a look at this one. Before that, I have got a few simpler questions to you, for you guys also. Okay. Ahmed, you must have solved these questions. We discussed these.
Yes, sir, I
Remember?
have. Yes,
Okay.
sir.
So for you, the question is going from to be from exercise 3.1. Okay. Or do one thing, you also pay attention to this. You will also get to revise this. Okay. See, quickly, you guys are required to quickly solve these questions. Okay. Yeah. See, first question here. You need to find the number of diagonals in a hexagon. Okay. Now remember, how do we? What was the formula required to find the diagonals of a polygon?
Yes,
Yeah. Who will tell me? Ahmed, do you recall?
Yes, sir. How?
What was it?
Hexagon. 2. Yeah.
No, no, no. I'm asking what formula
sir,
you are giving
n
a
minus
value.
sir,
Yeah.
n minus 3 divided by 2.
It was n multiplied n minus 3 divided by 2. Right?
Yes, sir, sorry.
Yeah, that was the complete formula. Remember, Ahmed? So now what is the value of n for hexagon? It is 6, and here represents number of sides of the polygon. So it is going to be 6 multiplied 6 minus 3 upon 2. So 2 is going to cancel 6 by 3. So it is going to be 3 multiplied 3 here. So that is 9. First one is the required answer. Right. Okay, now question number 2 to 6. It should hardly take 1 or 2 minutes. Now, state the number of sides for the given polygon. Just quickly write the values in the chat box. Okay, just
Okay.
write 2 comma, then for h equals to how much, d equals to how much, o equals to how much. Okay, just in short.
Sir, can you repeat? I didn't hear you.
Write the answers of question number 2, 3, and 4 in the chat box.
Okay, sir.
Sir, my first one was
Yeah, I
2.
got it. First one was 2. Number of diagonals in a hexagon. No, Arhan, that's not possible. No, look, diagonals, we know we basically connect the non-consecutive vertex. Arhan, you're talking about question number B here, no?
No, sir, I meant the 2 questions.
Question number, which question number 2 here?
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. Yeah, I got your answer in the chat box. Arhan 6, 10, 8. Okay, Arhan use is correct as well. Ahmed's 7, 10, 8. No, Ahmed, see, the number
Sir,
of
I have
sides in a hexagon is 6, not 7.
it's 6, sir. I have wrote it again. I have
Okay,
wrote
okay.
it
I
6.
saw. Yeah, got it, got it. Very good. That's 6, not 7. Now, for third one, number of diagonals for the following polygons. Septagon.
Okay.
Septagon has got how many sides?
Again, 7, sir.
7.
The pentagon has 5 sides.
Yeah.
Okay, I have found it.
Okay, Ahmed.
Sir, do we have to answer in the chat box?
Yeah. You're supposed to answer in the chat box.
Okay.
Okay. Because what happens now? I get to know whose calculation is fast, right? I get to know who is able to quickly solve the questions. Okay. It's all part of the learning. Okay. Okay. Arhan, solve question number 3 also, no? Okay, first, Ahmed, for septagon, you have sent the value 28. For septagon, you are sending it as septagon,
It's
and
20.
here is 7. 7 multiplied 7 minus 3 upon 2. Right. So it is 7 multiplied 4 upon 2. So it is 28 upon 2, that is 14. So the number of diagonals in a septagon is 14, not 28. Okay. Arhan, you also got this?
Yes.
Yeah. And do it for pentagon and octagon also. Okay, none again. Yeah, question number 4. Your answers are correct. Yes, guys. Today we will also try to complete first 2 exercises of anxiety. Okay, those are very simple questions. Okay, and we will try to cover that as well. 11. Pentagon has 5 diagonals. Okay, so for pentagon, we solve it like this, and here is 5. So it is 5 multiplied 5 minus 3 upon 2. Okay, it is basically 5 multiplied 2 upon 2, that is 5. Okay, so pentagon has 5 diagonals. Arhan, that is correct. Okay, Ahmed, your answer is regarding this value 11 is of pentagon or else?
Yes, sir.
No.
Pentagon,
See,
sir.
see how we solve this. A pentagon has got 5 diagonals. By calculation, we got it 5. Okay. Just remember the formula and be careful while you do the calculation. Okay. Because most of the time you might be doing calculation mistakes, simple calculation mistakes. Okay. And what about octagon? And is equal to 8 in octagon. Okay. So it is basically 8 multiplied 8 minus 3 upon 2. Now, 20 diagonals for octagon. Okay. Yes, that's correct. Ahmed, did you got the same value? Ahmed,
sir.
we actually solved these questions in our previous class, right? Okay. So
Yes,
it's
sir.
good for you as well that you get to revise these things. Okay, but still I see you need to improve your calculation, Ahmed. Okay, just a little bit of work on your calculation and I know you will do better. Okay, in calculation. And Arhan, very good. Okay, Very good. That is 20. That is 20 for octagon here. Okay, now moving on to question number 5. Remember we talked about concave and convex polygons, right guys? So which of these is a convex polygon?
Good. A
A, that is correct.
and B,
No,
B, C,
that is a concave polygon.
and
Only
B is a
Sir,
A and
A
concave.
and C. Sir,
yeah,
A and C.
A and C.
Oh, sorry, sir. I was actually looking at sixth
Oh,
question. Sorry, I didn't
okay,
notice.
okay. Okay, actually, because we in figure B and figure D, you will see angles like these two. They are greater than 180°, right? That's why.
Yes,
Now,
sir.
question number 6: which of the following are regular polygons?
Sir,
No,
B and
C,
F.
no.
sir, C and D.
C and D, C and D, and there's one more here. E also. Okay.
F, O, E.
Yeah. So Arhan, notice in this question, simply regular polygons are those polygons in which angles and sides, all of them are same. All the angles and all the sides of the polygon, if they are same, then that is called regular polygon. So in square, in hexagon, and this figure E here, all the angles and all the sides are same. While in a rectangle, in a triangle, or here in this parallelogram, the sides are not same. Okay, although the angles are same in a rectangle here, they are same in this parallelogram also, while it is different, while the angles and sides, both of them are different in a triangle. I hope you guys got this. Okay, so the assignment given to you guys, it was basically consisting of simple questions like what is the difference between convex and concave polygon? It is of the
Uh,
angle.
the convex polygon has, yes, sir. The convex polygon has uh, the lesser than 180°.
Yeah, each
And the
angle is less than
concave is,
180.
Yes,
yes,
sir. And the
concave is
concave
large.
polygons is larger than 180°.
Exactly, greater than 180°. Right. And okay,
Yes.
now the 10 classifications of polygons based on their sides. That one is also pretty simple. You start from triangle, then you have got quadrilateral, then you have got pentagon, hexagon,
Pentagon
heptagon. Right.
and octagon, nonagon, and decagon.
Exactly. Right. Now you guys were required to draw simple and non-simple curved closed figures. Okay. So it is quite also simple here. How to draw simple and
Yes,
non-simple
sir.
curved closed figures. You guys already know. Now coming to the exercise 3.1 here. Okay, here you are provided with some figures. Okay, notice the figures here. You need to classify each of them based on the following things like simple curve, simple closed curve, which one is polygon, convex, and concave polygon. Okay, so which one is a simple curve here? Which figures are simple curve here? Yes, guys.
Simple
Sir,
curve
5.
Option number
5,
5 here.
5, 2, and 1, and 7.
Look, 1 is a simple curve here. That is correct. 2 is also a
Yes.
simple curve. 6 and 7 also. Okay. And 5 also. What about
Yes, sir.
simple closed curve?
Sir, 1 and
1,
6
Okay.
and 2.
2. Okay. What
One is
about
not a simple.
4? Are they not simple closed curve? You guys tell me, what
Uh,
do you guys actually understand by simple closed curve?
yeah, 4 is the 4 is 4 is.
Yes. Like there are two types of closed curve. Now, one is simple closed curve, one is non-simple closed curve. Okay, so in non-simple closed curve, the figures will be intersecting each other, right? Like see fourth one here. Okay, it is not a simple closed curve. It is not a simple closed curve. It is simply a simple curve here. Or if you were provided with an option, you would have written it as non-simple curve, right, guys? Because the figures
Yes.
are intersecting each other. Okay, then you have got polygon. So polygon, for to categorize polygon, you actually need to have a straight lines in the figure. So figure 1, 2, these two are a polygon here, right, guys? Okay, and
Yes.
what about convex and concave polygon? Identify them also. Yes, which one is a convex polygon here? See figure number 1.
Sir, two second.
No, second. Yeah, second also. Convex polygon. All the angles are
And
lesser than
the
180.
Sir,
Which
6.
one? 6. No, 6 is actually not a proper polygon here. Okay, because poly means more than one sides here. So this figure has got no sides. How will you classify sides in this? Okay, so for polygon you need straight lines, right, guys? That starts from three straight line that starts from a triangle. Okay, so a figure that is spherical or a figure like circle, they will not be categorized under polygon. Remember this thing very carefully. So convex polygon, figure number 2 here, all the angles are lesser than 180 degree. That is an example. Okay, what about concave polygon, guys?
Sir,
Observe first figure here. Observe the first figure.
first figure is a concave, and also
No, it has
yeah,
to
on
be
the
either
first.
concave or convex. See this angle here, is it not greater than 180 degree?
yes, sir.
Yeah,
Yes, sir.
that's why it is a
So
concave
it's
polygon.
concave.
And another figure, there's one more figure which is a concave polygon.
Sir,
Yeah, which one
7.
is that? Seventh one, very good. That is this angle, right? Okay, that's it. Okay, and see figure number 4, that one is a convex polygon, right? All the angles are less than 180. Okay.
Yes.
Now, question number 2 says, what is a regular polygon? You guys know. Okay. And you have to name a regular polygon of 3 sides, 4 sides, and 6 sides. Okay. So name a regular polygon of 3 sides.
Sir, triangle.
Triangle, but it has to be regular polygon. Like triangle could be like this also. Like this also. Okay. But you guys need to name a triangle which is a regular polygon. So we have got one.
Sir, equilateral triangle.
Exactly. Equilateral triangle, right, guys? Now, a regular polygon having 4 sides.
Sir, quadrilateral or square.
The square is correct here, but quadrilateral is not correct because quadrilateral simply means a figure having 4 sides. Okay, so the sides could be equal or non-equal. Okay. Yes, Ahmed, you getting this? Ahmed?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So a regular
Yes,
polygon
sir.
having 4 sides, that is a square. Okay. And what about a regular polygon having 6 sides? That will simply be a hexagon. Okay. So in a hexagon also, we see that there are 6 sides. So you will take such a hexagon in which all the 6 sides are equal. All of them are equal. Okay, so a regular hexagon is an example of a regular polygon having 6 sides. Okay, the first exercise was quite easy. Now see this next exercise. Okay, so solve these questions. Solve the first question and write your answer in the chat box. Okay, we
Sir,
have got 20 minutes left and we will try to cover this today. Yes, Ahmed? Arhan?
nothing, sir.
Okay, okay.
I sent the answer to the A part of
No,
question one.
no, Arhan, actually, you have made some mistake in calculation. Okay, try solving it again. So you guys tell me that what is the sum of the exterior angles of any polygon?
That's 360 degree.
Okay, that's what you guys need to do here. Just add all the exterior angles and equate it to 360 degree. Then you guys will be getting your answer. Okay. Yes, Ahmed. So it is 125 plus 125 plus x here. Because there are three exterior angles, that's it, 125, 125 and x. That equals to 360 degree. Just find out the value of x here. Okay. Yes, that one is correct, Arhan. Good. Okay. And Ahmed, what is your answer now?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, what is your
I didn't
answer?
hear you, sir. My internet.
Okay.
Uh,
Look, you need to add these two values. That will become 250 degree plus x equals to 360. Now it becomes simple. Now, so find out the value of x here.
yes, sir.
Okay. And
Okay,
Arhan,
sir.
solve option number B here. Okay. Now, sum of the values of the exterior angle is already given here. Okay, like you have got, yes. Okay.
Sir, 120.
100
X is
and
equals to 120.
no, that is wrong.
20.
No. 360 minus 250. That's what you have to do. Okay, you have written x equals to 110, 125. Then you have 110 and 230. Look, Arhan, you just need to find the value of x here. Okay, that's it. No need to write 110 and 230 here. Okay, so this one is 90 degree here. So the exterior angle, this one is also 90 degree, right? Okay, Emma, you also pay attention to this. This exterior angle is also of 90 degree here, right? This one is 70, this one is x, and this one here is 60 degree. Okay, so these are the exterior angles 90, 60, 70, this x here and 90 degree. Just add all of them and equate to 360. Okay, so that is going to be 90 degree plus 60 plus 70 plus x again plus 90 degree. Now equate it to 360 degree. Okay, so x plus 180 plus 240 plus 310 equals to 360 degree. See here, Han, here. You add 90, 60, 70 and 90 here. Did you got this? Where did these angles came from? If you pay attention to the figure, they're already given here.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah. So x here is going to be how much? Find this 360 minus 310. How much is it?
Sir, 50 degree.
Exactly. Exactly. 50 degree. Okay. Ahmed,
Sorry, sir,
where you?
I didn't see the 90 degree.
Yeah, no issue. No issue.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Ahmed, did you got this? How we solve this one?
Yes,
Okay.
sir. I did.
Yeah, very good. Okay. So the figure itself has provided
I
you with
have
the exterior
seen.
angles. If the interior angle is 90, exterior one is also going to be 90. That is obvious. Here it is given here. It is already written here. You know, this sign here, this one represents a 90-degree angle. Right, guys? Okay. Now move on to the next question. Find the measure of each exterior angle of a regular polygon of given sides are given here. Okay. So you should be able to solve this one also easily. So in the first question, n is how many? Nine. Right. That is a non-again here. And you need to find the exterior angle. Okay, which formula we are going to use here?
Sir, 9 minus 2 9 minus 2 multiplied by 180.
9 minus 2 multiplied by 180. No. Look, find the measure of each exterior angle of a regular polygon. Remember, we had a formula where you were provided with the number of sides and you can find the exterior angle. Like we know sum of all the exterior angles is 360 degree, right? So each exterior angle can be calculated by dividing 360 degree by number of sides of the polygon. Number of sides of the polygon, you divide it, you will get the answer. Remember the formula?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So for nonagon, I'm doing this for nonagon here. So and here is going to be 9. So for nonagon,
Sir, it is 40 degree.
it is 40 degree. Very good. So 360 upon 9, that gives you 40 degrees. Same you guys have to do it for other figures here. So next you have got 15 sides. So you guys can calculate it at home. Okay. Ahmed got this now. We have several times solved this type of questions. Now move on to question
Yes.
number 3 here. How many sides does a regular polygon have if the measure of an exterior angle is 24 degree? Yeah, solve this one. That's an interesting question. Look, the question is not saying that how many sides does a regular polygon have if the measure of an exterior angle is 24 degree?
15,
Okay,
sir.
it is going to
Sir,
be
it is 15.
exactly guys, it is going to be 15 here, right? So
Sir,
you are
you gave
provided
us
with,
this question as the homework.
okay, very good. Now so let's move to next question. How many sides does a regular polygon have if each of its interior angle is 165 degree? So you are provided with uh, interior angle is 165 degree. So exterior angle of that polygon is going to be how much? 15 degree, right guys?
Yes.
Adding these two, we get 180 degree. That's why exterior is going to be 15 degree. So now we have got the exterior angle. We will simply put this value in this formula and we will get the number of sides, right? So that is we are required to find what? We're required to find the sides of the regular polygon. So 15 equals to 360 upon n, right? So n will fetch you the value here by putting 15 here. So what is the value here? Is it not 24? Right. So that
Yes.
polygon is having 24 sides. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now see question number 5 and 6. What does the question says here? Read this one. Arhan, you read this one.
Is it possible to have a regular polygon with measures of exterior angle as 22 degree?
Yeah, the
Yes,
question
sir.
is that is it possible to draw a regular polygon where exterior angle is 22 degree? So if you are getting a whole number, if you are getting a whole value of n, then it is possible. Okay, what I mean here that by using the same formula here. Okay, so the question says that each question number 5. So each exterior angle question says that it should be 22 degree. We need to check whether possible or not, possible or impossible. So how do we do that? We will put it in the formula. So it is going to be 22 degree equals to 360 upon n, right guys? Okay, I have just directly written it here. So n equals to 360 upon 22. It should give me a proper value. If the value comes in decimal or in fraction, then it is not possible to have 22 degree as exterior angle, right guys? To solve this one, what do we get
Yes,
here?
sir. As the value comes in decimals.
The value comes in decimal, right? Okay, it's 180 upon 11. Obviously, that will be in decimal, right? So it will be 11.6 something. So that is not possible. Hence, answer is no. Hence, it isn't possible. Got this, Ahmad? Ahmad, you got this one?
Yes, sir.
Okay, because the value is in decimal. Now, moving on to next question. Question number, yeah, second part of the question. Can it be an interior angle of a regular polygon? If yes, why? If no, why? So let's check that as well. Okay. So you need to check whether it can be an interior angle. So for that polygon, if it is in, if the interior angle I assume it to be 22 degree, then my exterior angle it should be how much? It will be 158 degree. Yes, dear.
Yes, sir.
Yes, guys. So it should be 158 degree. So if I put this in the formula, what was the formula? Each exterior angle equals to 360 degree upon number of sides of the polygon. So if you get the value of n here, this n here in a proper in a whole number, then it will be possible. So 158 equals to 360 upon n. Now are we getting a whole number here? Divide 360 by 158. Yes, Ahmed, divide the numbers.
Okay, sir. Okay. Now,
The answer comes in decimals.
yes, sir. It does.
Yes, Ahmed,
In this one.
it comes in
It also.
decimal.
Yes.
180 upon 79. So it will be 2 point something. Okay. So
Yes.
obviously the answer comes in decimal. Hence it is not possible because the side cannot be in fraction. It has to be 1, 2, 3 in in full whole numbers. Now quickly come to last question of the exercise. We actually did this one also. If you guys remember, what is the minimum interior angle possible for a regular polygon? You guys remember we have done this.
Yes,
And
sir.
yeah, right. And the second part of the question is what is the maximum exterior angle possible for a regular polygon? Okay,
The 125 degrees.
125. No. We actually assume that value to, I actually assume that value to show you guys that it is not possible to have a value greater than 120 degree. for exterior angle. Okay, because if you say Arhan 125, okay, so it is 360 upon 125. So the value comes in fraction here. So the maximum exterior angle is going to be 120 degree. That gives you 3. So that is 3 here is the number of sides of a polygon. And that polygon is going to be a triangle here, right guys? So the maximum possible value is how much? 120 degree. Okay,
Yes, sir.
right guys. But because if I take a value greater than 120, so 360 upon 121, no, that is also not correct. Or 360 upon 122 or 360 upon 123, any number greater than 120, that is not going to give you a whole number. That will always be in fraction. And similarly, from this also you can observe that since the maximum exterior angle is going to be 120, so what is the interior angle going to be? It is going to be 60 degree. Because if you keep on increasing the exterior angle, if you got the maximum possible interior angle, then the interior angle will be least in value, right guys?
Yes.
Right, that makes sense. Yes, Ahmed, that makes sense. If I have got the maximum possible value for exterior angle, then obviously the interior angle is going to be smallest in nature, that is 60 degree. Okay, then with this this two exercise is completed. Okay, any confusion so far?
No.
Okay, and Ahmed, you? Yes, Ahmed. Day
Yes,
after
sir.
tomorrow, day after tomorrow, your tests are going to start. Okay, so in
Yes, sir.
chapter number 1 and chapter number 2, and so far what we have discussed in this chapter, do you have got any confusion?
No, I'm not sure.
Okay, so tomorrow we will try to cover further. And Arhan, if you are free very soon, we will schedule backup classes for you. All right.
Yes, sir. I'm free. You can schedule it anytime.
Okay. Okay then. So how many exercises, by the way, are left in the chapter? I think it's up to you guys check in your book. There are 2 or more exercises left. It's up to 3.4 or 3.6, I guess. Yes, sir. Ahmed, check your book if you have your book in front of you. Or Arhan, you can also check if you have the book with you.
Yes, sir, I do.
How many exercises are left?
Sir, the I currently, sir, I think so.
How many exercises are in total in chapter number